All right, so I've got to cut these overhanging branches off, and I have my trusty blade, and I brought some gloves, and so we're going to show you how to do that right now. First things first, get my gloves on, grab my slicer dicer, tighten it up a little bit here. All right, and there we go. And get down low on it. One, and get this one here. That's two. Okay, that's better, huh? It takes some of the weight off it because you can see this is a little precarious here, right? This one here we're going to cut. I don't know if you can see it. So I want to cut a couple of these off of there. See how it's got mold on it? So I'm going to cut those. And I might just cut this other one over here on this side just to take some weight off this because I don't want it falling. So that's what we're going to do next. I think we got him. Do one more here. All right, I think that's that. Another one. All right, I think we're doing pretty good. So I'm going to take this one and maybe that one off. I think we need to do that. Done. Yeah, I think I might take this one off over here. Right here. What do you think? This one? Right here? Yeah, good idea. All right, I think we're looking good. I think we got the ones that we needed. Take off my gloves for a second. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other stuff that I do out here in the bushes. Peace out.